In my old workshop, I had my most used tools hanging on the wall, so I could quickly find them when I needed them. I really liked this, so I wanted to implement this in my new workshop as well. After I decided which tools I wanted on the wall, I started drawing in Rhino and prepared the files for the CNC machine. For the screwdriver bits, I made some 3D printed inserts at an angle, so the bits will stay in place better. I added my reading glasses to the tool holder for the kinetic driver, so you can see it's made by Jacko whatever. Then it was a matter of sanding, rounding off the edges and give it a finish of boiled linseed oil, before hanging the remaining tool holders on the wall and put the tools to their assigned position. I hope you liked this video, and please let me know what you think of my new tool wall. In the meantime, I'm working on my next project.